Whoa. That's my beer. Don't touch that. I feel pretty tough with this thing. Stop it. Hey guys, and welcome to another Ready Yeti First Look. I'm Matt, and this week we're going to be checking out SENCUT knives. Knives are really versatile tools and something that really anyone can benefit from having. A good knife goes a long way, and if you're someone who heads out into the woods or the outdoors fairly often, it's going to really help you out. I'll just cut to the chase. A knife is something that the sharpest people always have. Get the point? We're doing knives today. That's what all the puns are for. Knives. Yeah. SENCUT is a brand new knife brand that just hit the market. They're direct to consumer and really only sell off of their website or off of Amazon. So with the click of a button, you could be whittling away in the country. Today we have SENCUT's Actium folding pocket knife in burgundy. It's a nice color. The Actium knife has a 3.46 inch D2 steel blade with a G10 handle. This knife only weighs 3.88 ounces, super lightweight, and it is super balanced. This is a linear lock flipper knife with a ceramic ball bearing, so it just kind of flips up super easy with just one flick, and it locks right into place very securely. Makes it super easy to open and close. It has a solid textured grip and an ergonomic design, so it fits in your hand really easily and comfortably. Just kind of cradles in it. Plus this knife has a convenient lanyard hole and a pocket clip. Knives are kind of a must-have tool for any outdoor campers, hikers, trekkers, anything like that, or even just to have as a utility tool. It really is incredibly useful, and just having one on hand makes your life easier. On top of being just a really high quality knife at a great price, the Actium folding pocket knife comes in 4 different colors. This, as I mentioned before, is the burgundy. I like this one. And of course, lastly, SENCUT offers 100% money-back guarantee if you are not satisfied with their knife. For the quality of the construction and the material used, you get an insanely high value at just around 40 bucks. It is an incredible do-anything knife. That's it for our first look of SENCUT's Actium folding pocket knife. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you thought of this video. Give us a like, you know the drill. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, it's really helpful for us. Hit the bell notification if you can. You get the notifications when we have new videos. Always have new videos coming out just about every week. That's it for now, and stay tuned for another Ready Yeti First Look coming at you next week.